let's see value chart of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this chart, I have some tricks. Start writing numbers 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide each number by 4. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now simplify this ratio. While simplifying 0 by 4, we get 0. We cannot simplify 1 and 4, remain as it is. When we simplify 2 by 4, we get 1 by 2. Here we will get as it is, that is 3 by 4, and 4 by 4 is 1. Now take the square root of these numbers. So square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2. Square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. And square root of 1 is 1. Let's revise once again. First, start writing numbers from 0 to 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each number by 4. So we will get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Then we will simplify the ratio. So 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 will remain as it is, 2 by 4 will be 1 by 2, 3 by 4 will remain as it is and 4 by 4 is 1. Now take the square root of these ratios. So square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2, square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2, square root of 1 is 1. Now for cos, start writing the final answers from last. So we will start writing values from 1 to 0. So here 1, then we will get root 3 by 2, then we will get 1 by root 2, then we have 1 by 2 and then we have 0. For cos, we are simply writing the numbers in reverse order, that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. For tan, we remember that tan is a ratio of sine and cos. Here always remember, when 0 comes in the numerator, we get its answer as 0, and when it comes to the denominator, we cannot define its value, so always written as not defined. As we said, it is ratio of sine and cos. So let's take ratio of final values of sine and cos. So we get 0 upon 1. Its value will be 0. Then we have 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. So denominator will get cancelled and its value will be 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. So we have same numerator and denominator, its value will be 1. Then root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is again root 3. Here we get 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 can be not defined. Not defined. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So here we have 1 upon sine. So sine value is 0 here. For cosec we have 1 upon 0. So it will be not defined. Here we have sine value 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2 will be 2. Here we have 1 upon root 2. So its reciprocal is 1 upon 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Then we have root 3 by 2. So 1 upon root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. Here we have 1. So 1 upon 1 will again 1. As we know, sec is a reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon cos. Here we have cos value as 1. So reciprocal of 1, that is 1 by 1. So its final answer will be 1. Then we have root 3 by 2. So 1 upon root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. Then we have 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Here we have 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2 will be 2. And here we have 0. So that is 1 by 0. But we cannot define it. So its answer is not defined. Then we have cot. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. So it's 1 by tan. Let's see values of tan. Here we have 0. So 1 by 0. It's not defined. Then we have 1 by root 3. So 1 upon 1 by root 3. So final answer will be root 3. Then we have 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Then we have root 3. So 1 upon root 3 will remain as it is here. Then we have 1 by 0. So here it's like 1 by 0. Reciprocal of this will be 0 by 1. The value of 0 by 1 will be 0. Let's summarize this value chart. In degrees we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here we have sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. First we will start writing number from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide the number by 4. Then simplify the ratio. And after that take a square root of values. So final values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 and 1. What is the meaning of this value? It means that sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree is 1. For cos, we will start writing in reverse order. So 1 will come first, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, cos 90 degree is 0. We know tan is ratio of sine and cos. So we are just taking the ratio of these two values. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2 will 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 will be root 3. 1 by 0. Here always remember, when 0 comes to the denominator, we say it as not defined. Then cosec is a reciprocal of sine, that's why it is 1 upon sine. So we will take here reciprocal of all the values of sine. Value of sine is 0. In cosec we will have 1 by 0, that is not defined. Here we have 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2 will be 2. 1 upon 1 by root 2 is root 2. Then 1 upon root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. 1 upon 1 will be 1. Sec we have 1 by cos. So now we will see cos values. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 upon root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 upon 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 upon 1 by 2 is 2. And 1 by 0 is not defined. For cot we have 1 by tan. So here we will see tan values. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 upon 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 upon 1 will be 1. 1 upon root 3 will be as it is here. And 1 upon 1 by 0 is 0.